All right, next we're going to work on a word problem. Most of the ratios you're going to see are going to be word problems. It's going to ask you to compare two ratios, or someone has this amount of something, but they need this. So you're going to see most of your ratios like this. So Oliver wants to make 3 cakes. His recipe for one cake needs 2 eggs and 1 cup of milk. So right there, I know he needs 3 cakes. His recipe he has for 1 cake. The recipe for 1 cake is 2 eggs and 1 cup of milk. So we know for 1 cake, he needs 2 eggs and 1 cup of milk. So what is the ratio to milk of eggs? So we know our ratio is 1 cup of milk. So 1 cup of milk to 2 eggs. 1 to 2. And this is for 1 cake. We need to know how much he needs for 3 cakes. To do this, you're going to do exactly what we did up here. We have 1, we need to know 3. So you're going to take both sides and multiply by 3. So you're going to do 1 times 3 and 2 times 3. And we get a new ratio. For milk, we'll need 3 cups of milk, and for eggs, 2 times 3, we'll need 6 eggs. So our new ratio is going to be 3 to 6 for 3 cakes instead of 1 to 2 by 1 cake. And we can tell these are equivalent. If we divide 3 by 6, we'll get 1/2. So if we divide 3 by 6, you'll get 1/2. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to practice on your own. Go ahead, pause this video, and practice. Your first one, you're going to multiply by 3. So you're going to want to multiply each side by 3. And for the second one, you're going to want to divide both sides by 3. When you get to this one, it can get a little tricky. You want to make sure every time you're dividing by 3. So you're going to do 99 divided by 3 and then 90 divided by 3. And then this answer divided by 3 and this answer divided by 3. It's the same thing over here. You're going to do 3 times 5 and get an answer, or 3 times 3 and get an answer, and do 5 times 3 and get an answer. And then you're going to do this answer times 3 to get this answer, and this answer times 3 to get this answer. Once you're done, go ahead, turn it in,